Independence must begin at the bottom. Thus, every village will be a republic.
In rural areas, there were a lot of huge untapped potential of human resources. And on the other hand, in cities, we observed that there were many job opportunities available and people could shift their jobs very easily. It was almost like India within India, which not many people were aware of. At Source for Change, we aimed at bridging this gap and not only providing employment opportunities for people in rural areas, but also ensuring that there's a wave of development which is taken forward.
I think we thought that this is a good way to actually give women respect. They actually have a formal job. What I understand is we're one of the largest formal organization in Bagad, in the district.
We were a very small setup when we started, and from that we are now a full-fledged state-of-the-art BPO. We have the best of infrastructure, we have the best of facility, and in terms of people, this is something that I had never expected.
Source for Change is also known for its quick adaptability to the client's needs. We've had several clients around the globe, such as Harvard Business School, UrboCorp, Pratham, Carvey, etc.
In our relationship with Source for Change, we found that the quality that we got in the infrastructure that can exist in a rural center was, I think, par excellence.
Source for Change has state-of-the-art facilities which include internet connectivity with 2 lease lines, 24/7 electricity backup including a generator and a UPS, data security which makes sure the confidentiality of the data of the client, 24/7 CCTV surveillance and biometric attendance to ensure higher productivity and better attendance.
तो मैंने पहले तो इमेजिन ही नहीं किया था कि यहाँ पे ऐसा कोई सेंटर इस टाइप का होगा, कॉर्पोरेट टाइप काम मिलेगा, ऐसे करने को मौका भी मिलेगा इतनी छोटी जगह में.
They lack access to skilled work opportunities and they end up migrating to cities in search of these opportunities.
सबको मैंने देखा है कि जब उन्होंने ज्वाइन करने से पहले वो कैसे थे और उसके बाद उनके हार्ड वर्क के कारण, उनके अच्छे काम के कारण वो कितने कॉन्फिडेंट हो गए कि हाँ हम कर सकते हैं.
सबसे अच्छा तो सबसे एक्सेल पे काम करना.
That around 4% of the employable youth of Bagad is being impacted by just the employability options of SFC.
When we started working with Source for Change, we were essentially looking for a solution where we could get good quality, faster turnaround time and at a price which is cheaper than the metros where we typically operate.
We have a very comprehensive and rigorous training program that consists of 2 training modules. One is the core process training, which includes basic IT skills, client-specific and project-specific training modules. The other is perhaps equally important, which is the soft skills training program.
SFC ज्वाइन करने से पहले मैं सिर्फ पढ़ाई की और उसके बाद सिर्फ घर पे रही. बस घर पे घर का काम करना, बच्चों को देखना, घर की सफाई करना.
They are coming out of their shackles and men are also becoming more confident. They are becoming more responsible for their families.
पहले मेरे को वहाँ पर बहुत कम सैलरी देते थे, यहाँ पर ज़्यादा देते हैं तो परिवार भी थोड़ा अच्छी तरह से चलता है. घर में और समस्याएं हैं उसको पूरा करने का मौका मिलता है.
पहले मैं किसी के भी सामने मतलब बोलने की हिम्मत नहीं होती थी. अब मुझे काफ़ी हौसला आया.
बहुत लगन से काम करते हैं और खूब कॉन्फिडेंस से काम करते हैं और एक विश्वास है कि मैं आगे है ना और भी बहुत कुछ कर सकते हैं और अपने बच्चों को भी आगे और प्रोग्रेस करने के लिए और कुछ सिखाने के लिए और ज़्यादा अच्छा बनाने के लिए उनको भी सहारा दे सकती हूँ.
Source for Change brings in a good quality and good turnaround times, which helped us manage the process better and to the satisfaction of the end customer.
As I can foresee that the future is rural, and this is where businesses will be moving, as this is very cost effective for businesses in the urban cities, and it not just makes business sense but also makes social sense for them to be coming to Source for Change.